Educational. YouTube is fucking useless. This is how you actually get smart. Be honest. You've tried to quit social media. You deleted TikTok. You logged off Instagram. But you kept YouTube, right? Because YouTube is different. YouTube is fucking educational. You tell yourself you're not wasting time. You're learning. You're watching financial breakdowns, philosophy video essays, 3-hour podcast clips, and 5 productivity hacks you need to know. You feel smart. You feel productive. You feel superior to the people just scrolling shorts. You are just lying to yourself. You are just consuming a more sophisticated version of digital junk. Educational. YouTube is useless, at least the way you're fucking using it, it is. Let's diagnose your symptoms. You learned for 3 hours about the Roman Empire. You feel full of knowledge. You could maybe drop a fun fact at your next party. And then what? Fucking nothing happens. You click the next recommended video. Why quantum physics will completely change everything. You learn for 20 more minutes. And then what? Fucking nothing happens again. You are not learning. You are being passively entertained. You are just watching someone else perform their intelligence. You are addicted to the fucking feeling asterisk of getting smarter. You are in a productive procrastination loop. You feel like you're moving forward, but your actual life is standing fucking still. You are just watching Netflix for smart people. Why do you watch so much, but remember so little? Why do you learn so much, but your life changes so little? Because your brain is not a fucking hard drive. Your brain is an efficiency machine. Its number one job is to forget, not to remember. It is designed to dump all useless information to make room for useful information. And how do you tell your brain what's useful? You fucking use it. Passively watching a video is just information input. It's like pouring water into a leaky fucking bucket. It never gets stored. That's why 1 week later, you can't even remember the title of the video. You weren't learning. You were wasting fucking time. Okay, stop pretending. Let's fix it. Educational. YouTube is a tool, but you've been using it wrong. Here's the actual system to get smart. Step 1, stop browsing. Start hunting. You never fucking open your homepage. That is the algorithm's junkyard. You only use the search bar. You are not strolling. You are executing a mission. You go to YouTube with a question. You don't go looking for one. Step 2. Execute the 10-1-1 Alchemy. This is the anti-tutorial hellcore. You can watch 10 videos on one topic, but you must distill them down onto one piece of paper into one fucking core action. And you must execute that one action within 1 day. You watch 10 productivity videos? Your one action is, I will fucking lock my phone in another room tomorrow morning. And then you fucking do it. That is learning. Step 3. The Feynman cheat code. Explain it to an idiot. You just finished that smart fucking quantum physics video essay? Good. Pause. Open a text document. Now try to explain that concept to a fucking 5-year-old. You're fucking stuck, aren't you? You realize you don't fucking understand it. You just recognize the words. Congratulations, you just diagnosed your ignorance. Now go back until you can write it down fucking simply. Step 4. Execute your watch later graveyard. Your 1000 watch later videos are fucking monument to your procrastination. The 48-hour rule. Any fucking truly important video, you will watch within 48 hours. If it expires, you fucking delete it. Stop hoarding your good intentions. Let's redefine smart. Smart is not knowing a lot of fucking facts. That's fucking Google. Smart is not how many video essays you've watched. Smart is the fucking ability to execute on information. The person who watches one video on how to tie a tie and then actually fucking learns how to tie a tie is 10,000 times smarter than the person who watches 100 videos on AI theory and does fucking nothing. Stop admiring the people who sound smart. Start being the person who fucking gets shit done. So stop lying to yourself. Your educational videos are just your favorite placebo. YouTube is the most powerful tool in human history, and you've been using it as a fucking pacifier. Stop consuming other people's intelligence. Start using this tool to build your own. Educational. YouTube can make you smart, but only if you fucking close the video and start fucking working.